Pleasant wishes to all my dear students. In our last class we dealt with the topic solar system, right? Who is the head of that solar system? Sun. Okay. Now today let us see something about moon. Who is moon? Moon is the one and only natural satellite of the earth. Okay. Dear children, can we go to moon and stay there? No, we cannot. Scientists are still, they are under research, right? Whether we can go there, whether any life can exist there, all these things. So, if we see to the history, we find a person who stepped on the moon. Who is that? Neil Armstrong, right? He was the first person to step on the moon. Are there any Indian origin who stepped on the moon? Okay, there is a person, proud Indian, who stepped on the moon for the first time, and he is the only person from India who stepped on the moon. And he told in his interview with the press meet, that is, he is waiting some other, are there anybody to come up and to break his record. So who is that person? Proud Indian. He is Rakesh Sharma, who stepped on moon. Indian origin, who stepped on the moon. He was the Indian Air Force pilot. Okay. He served as a pilot also in the Indian Air Force. Okay. Next, what do you mean by satellite then? Satellite is nothing but it is a celestial body which revolve around the planet. Okay? Which revolve around the planet. In turn, planets are revolving around the sun, orbiting around the sun. Understood? So, satellites are orbiting around the planet. Along with orbiting around the planet, they will spin along with their own axis. So, this rotation spinning around its own axis and revolution of the moon is same over 27 days. Okay, so we can see only one face of the moon from the earth. And the moon has got some depressions or craters and mountains and the shadows of mountains. So all these things is visible if we observe the full moon from the earth. It looks like a rabbit sitting on the moon, right? It is not a rabbit. Instead, it is so many ups and downs are present on the surface of the moon. Hence, it looks in the shape of the rabbit if you observe the full moon from the earth. Okay, this is about moon. What is the distance from earth to the moon? It is 84,400 kilometers. What about sun? It is 150 million kilometers. So, sun is too far from the earth as we compare to the moon. Okay. So, moon also appears big because it is near to the earth. Moon is near to the earth. Okay. After that, let us see to the other topic, which is we call man-made satellite. What is that man-made satellite? It is nothing but artificial celestial body sent from the earth to the space. Okay? Artificial celestial body sent from the earth to the space and orbiting around the earth, or in order to study about moon, orbiting around the moon. And they will take some snaps, they will take some photography in order to study about the surface, weather, climate, all these. Whether we can go there. So selfish, right? Human beings are so selfish. Wherever we need, we should go there and we should grab it. Right? Okay, that is different topic. So, satellites are sent with the help of rocket. Right? Artificial satellite. Are sent with the help of rocket to the space. We have got this space center, ISRO, right? From this region, we will send all the satellites which are helpful in communication to the space. Okay. Next, about asteroids and meteoroids. Asteroids. Where these asteroids are present? Asteroids are present in between Mars and the Jupiter. We have studied the placement of the planets, different planets, and this asteroid belt comes in between Mars and the Jupiter, which orbiting around the sun along with the planet. Okay, these asteroids are pieces of the celestial, broken pieces of the celestial bodies made out of ice, dust and different gases. And from this, meteoroids also, along with this, so many pieces of other celestial bodies will be formed and we are calling it as meteoroids. Sometimes these meteoroids will enter into the Earth's atmosphere. So, due to the friction from the Earth's atmosphere, they develop a flame or light. So, we also call this as shooting stars. Okay, we also call this as shooting stars. Due to the friction, they develop a long tail of the flame. And if they fallen on the Earth's surface, they will create a large crater which destroys that place on the Earth. Or if they fall on some other planet, there will be a formation of a large crater or large hole. Okay. We spoke about planets, satellites, all those things, and Saturn has got over 53 natural satellites. Okay, so for each planet the number of natural satellites are different, and all these satellite, planets, sun and other celestial bodies are fit in the certain empty area, we call it as space, right? And yet we don't know how big the space is. And in total, the space filled with celestial bodies we call universe. And in this universe, we have got billions of group of stars together, forming a shape that we call it as galaxy. So, in the universe, we have got so many galaxies. In that, our solar system is exist on Milky Way. What is this Milky Way? Milky Way is nothing but group of billions of stars together. And in the Milky Way, it has got numerous stars and with the arms. It has got arms. And one of the arm of this, our solar system exists. Okay. So such type of galaxies are numerous in the space or in the universe. So just imagine how small we are, right? There are numerous galaxies in the space, and in that one of the galaxies, our galaxy is named as Milky Way, and in that Milky Way, one of the arms of this Milky Way, there exists our solar system. Our solar system includes Sun and 8 planets. In that 8 planets, Earth is one of them, and on the Earth we are the one of the creatures, right? And if you think of yourself, we are too small. But even though we are too small, we are filled with knowledge and wisdom, right? So we are trying to understand what the universe is by studying, researches, all those things, right? Thank you, children. Children, first question: why do we see only one side of the moon always? Give reason for this. Next, second question: what is the universe? So complete your homework, send it to your class teacher. Thank you.